So this is it, the former Toyota site on Moore Street, Burton upon Trent. When we first saw it came up, we could not wait to get started. It's the perfect place and it's soon going to be MotorSorted.
Over the next few months, we're going to be fitting out the workshop, bringing new equipment and systems in, and most importantly, hiring the right team.
MotorSorted will be a garage for cars and vans. We'll do everything from MOTs to servicing to ADAS to tyres and the lot. And then we'll also be doing motorhomes and campervans, again, servicing MOTs, habitation.
We all know we want somewhere reliable to bring our vehicle, and that's what we're going to give you here. We can't wait to see everybody from Burton and the surrounding areas to bring their vehicle in with us when them doors open.
And we know that we've got to earn our place and we need to build a reputation that we are proud of, especially when it comes to cars and motorhomes. And it's going to be all about how well we treat people and the quality of the work that we are going to do.
So we're going to be documenting the process from this building site to opening day, if you'd like to follow us along on the journey.
And MotorSorted will be open in autumn 2026. If you want to follow our progress, look on the socials or register for interest.
See you soon.
See you soon.